James from Stay Nutrition. Is water making you fat? Here we have 750 millilitres of delicious, calorie-free Buxton water. It's not Buxton water, I got it out of the tap. Chin Chin. Do I look any different? Do I look any fatter? 750 millilitres water is about 1.5 pounds of weight. Water weighs something, that's why a bottle of water feels heavy. So if I jumped on the scales now, I'm going to weigh 1.5 pounds heavier than I did before I drank this bottle of water. Stop fucking confusing your weight with your body fat. If you weigh 1 pound more, you might have just drunk a pint of water. Chill the fuck out. If your clothes fit better, you're losing weight. If people say you look like you're losing weight, you're probably losing weight. If your measurements are going down, you're losing weight. If you're looking better in the mirror, you're probably losing weight. Use the scale as a guide, but not the be all and end all. There is 1,000,001 factors that are going to change that number on the scale. Water is just one of them. Chill the fuck out.